Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from techie.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off push notifications and alerts on the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app on your device. And if you are logged in, you will directly be taken into the Discover page. Now, if you wish to change your notification settings, such as your daily afternoon match notification, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will take you into the settings page. From here, if you scroll down, you can find the push notification section. Tap on the daily noon alert option to turn this notification off. You can also disable the notification for new likes, your chat page, as well as the customer service notifications. You can also turn all of these notifications off by long pressing on the Coffee Meets Bagel app and going into app info. From here, you can find the manage notification section. Tap on this, and from here you can turn off all notification from the app with one button. And there you have it. That is how you can change your notification settings on Coffee Meets Bagel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.